Do you want to learn how to scan QR code on Brawl Star? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. Head over to your phone, and in it, you're not going to use this app yet, the Brawl Stars app yet. I'm going to scroll down from the top, scroll more down. In this menu bar on your Android, you need to look for QR code scanner. This one, scan QR code. And if you do not find it here, let's go to the last page and click on this plus icon. Now on here on the top, you're going to find available buttons. If you see scan QR code button here, just click it and drag it over to this side. Once done, click on done. And if you still do not find it on that section, you need to head over to Play Store and search for QR code scanner and simply download any one of them and it's going to work. But for now, I'm going to use the Android one and I'm going to click on this scan QR code and scan this QR code. And it gives us a web address. Let's open in browser. Now on here in the web browser, it says claim a reward in Brawl Stars. Let's click on this button which says claim reward. And now it's going to open up the app and it gives us this option which says claim reward. And down here it says, do you wish to claim your reward now? Let's click on claim. And that's how to claim a QR code on Brawl Stars. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.